Popin Media.
Gona saba yala mama ala omwati ansozi mama ala omwati anfasa kongera musutai ojesu nuka kama bana maira ali kukungisha mali gari kukungisa ishagama mama ala obunyala bamira meseragani amabara ninje mtalo yakamaite kusaisha msyabira omukuru wachikacha bashyabira omuzukuru Samsoni Kisamu omuzukuru Karungi abasije kibale omuzukuru Mukoji abasije kibale omuzukuru Samsoni Kisamu omuzukuru Ernesti Chiruge nembanga ndalo nekubengo meni era newaze solange bona bayimuka nebanyamba kupiya kama muka
bona abantu bona aloka makobo nati kale batwate kwa abantu bone bajja kutegera etuli bamana tulwecho obujala bukumu tebulina mutawana. We need total support from the government. Gazetting of Bunyala, our president, the mighty president, is giving us a priority. We have waited and waited and waited and we are still waiting, but we know we are coming. We be able to represent us. You are adding your voice to ours, talking to our mighty president. We want to appreciate the security the government has given this kingdom. One time there was threats coming from various places. Those who are not interested for us to get emancipated, trying to tease us. But the government of the Republic of Uganda honors our constitution and we are here constitutionally. That's why you are giving us security. Thank you very much, our president. We need more. You will tell him that at least we are sure of his presence here. For this year is my culture, my identity, a collective responsibility. The Omahawuli, Omahawa Israel, Mutatam Rabu, Owawange, Teti Sanjange, Erapio Patawe, Geravanyala. Geravanyala, Owawa Israel, Munaga, Okapuano, Eka, Wava Mono, Abakumaka. tuve mu bitabo ebiswe tubimanyire kusayi tubirambike tutambule kusayi takola tukateeka nateeka kaseze webala n'omulimu ogukole era nkola abakulabikate bali vibrant bali more vibrant. Thank you Mtateeka our speaker who is in charge of the grand leaders. Your Excellency, I've given you one of the challenges. We need that recognition. We need that recognition so that we can interact within Uganda and outside Uganda. But if we don't have it, we are limited within our area only. So we have that recognition that we can even explore in the wider world. Secondly, we have been marginalized. As I was discussing with you earlier on, we are underrepresented in various circles. We need Banyala to be overrepresented. For example, in Parliament, much as we have a member of Parliament of this place, of Bali, or of Itenyo, but I have never had anything being terrible about Banyala.
Ebyawandikibwe okusingira kimwe ky'amateeka na musango esura 14 okuyinja okuyamukana mukaaga bitukizukulira obujunaanyizibwa oba obwebezi ng'ekisayirenga kyaseereerya ebikulu omuyawandikibwe akabiri nga bikumulembera okulinga Obunyala. Okwebala kwange ekyakulekeera nkusiima omunno era kubasaba nywena abantu bange Ababunyala. Tusiima munno akanjawulo Ojekenga Waiswe Opulezidenti Owayanga eya Uganda eya Ikumbe Jeno Yoweri Kaguta Museveni Tuhaulwa. Ekyakulekeera okuyinyawo omukulembeze obwanono omulyango yoona natakiryawo nataaku n'okusakira Omukama boona omu Uganda. Nataaku n'okwebyawo Kabakama okutangulira okumulekulete akanjawulo yasaayo gavumenti etuweera entambula ekisa muno egyeyingira n'entambula y'Abakama. Entambula yekubona Abakama V8 Land Cruiser empya zingi nasalawo naziweera buli Omukama Abakama boona mu Uganda. Nakasente keyalina kuweera Abakama akakwezi nakongera ku kukati emu amayita akatyoya akamiliyoni 5 ezizaali zamafuta naye Antony natongera kwa kasente buli kwezi akuweerya emiliyoni 6 mukimwenya abantu bange. So ekyo kikulanga Ojekenga Waiswe akweerya muno okumusabira obwomi kankyamulinde amwongere emyaka okufunya. Abantu bange kyemba kubanga buliizo tekiri ekizibu ekyamuono kikwenya twekalangulende okutwa kyemba kuba kuteeta twekalangule kigambo ene omwene otamunyiga nomunyiga kakyalumweya wabakunena owangu obwolo obwinaze obwinazi bukwiza kubanika so tusaana twekalanga nolwansonga ekyo omukolo mbangire ayagaliza ondangire the skills za mobilization eyampange nolwansonga ekyo kongoza ndoza kakoleseka muzungu ku nsonga eyi abatakweteja lunyala mukyeteje kusai ayeyamba appoint Right Honorable Joseph Ouma as the special envoy and special coordinator general of operation administration in the entire Okukama. God and my country, I Sophia Okukama, Kutuleire, amen.
We want to work Mukama waffe ne President Museveni, President wa ggwanga. Omukulu Museveni yandibadde wakujja wano ku mukolo guno naye nga weemumanye emirimu mingi no kujja kumuyimirira ku mukolo guno meseji eyasindise ku Mukama waffe His Royal Highness the King of Banyala. Nolwekyo ye soma ngabwebuli. His Royal Highness the Sebanyala retired Major Beka Kibeze Mpak Yarufu. Honorable Ministers, Honorable Members of Parliament, the Prime Minister of Okukama of Banyala, Your Royal Highness, as you celebrate 18 years since you ascended the throne of the Okukama of Banyala cultural institution, allow me, on behalf of the government, the NRM party, and on my own behalf, to congratulate you and all your subjects upon reaching this important milestone. Your Royal Highness, as you commemorate 18 years on the throne of Okukama Banyala, I thank you for orienting your kingdom on the correct path of cultural development and socio-economic transformation and customs regarding marriage, etiquette, and related matters are preserved. I want to thank the leadership. I want to thank the leadership of Okukama Banyala for spearheading development projects in the kingdom and encouraging your subjects